What is the DOM? What does DOM stand for? What is the virtual DOM and how does virtual DOM works? Hi, I'm Masood and here is WebsOK. Welcome to my channel. My goal is to make web development accessible and easy to understand for everyone, regardless of their skill level. If you are interested in learning more about web development or improving your existing skills, be sure to subscribe my channel and join me on this exciting journey. Now, let's dive into our topic. What does DOM stand for? DOM stands for Document Object Model. What is Document Object Model? Well, it's a programming interface for HTML and XML documents. The DOM represents the document as nodes and objects, allowing programmers to manipulate the content and structure of document dynamically using scripts. The document object model is a way for computer programs to understand and manipulate web pages or XML files. It represents the document as a tree-like structure of objects, with each object representing an element, attribute, or text node in the document. So, for example, if you have a web page with a heading, paragraph, and image, the DOM would represent these elements as objects that a programmer can interact with using code. You can add new elements, change the content of existing ones, or even delete elements altogether. Overall, the DOM is a powerful tool for building interactive and dynamic web pages. What is virtual DOM? Virtual DOM is a lightweight in-memory representation of the actual DOM. It's used to improve the performance of updates and changes to the actual DOM by reducing the number of expensive DOM manipulation. And now the last question of this video. How does virtual DOM work? Virtual DOM works by comparing the current virtual DOM tree with a new virtual DOM tree, and then applying the minimal set of changes to the actual DOM. This allows React to efficiently update the user interface without causing unnecessary re-renders or layout changes. If you have any question, write them in the comments down below. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.